Super Kids How To presents Chicky Art. Hi kids, look, a cute little owl. Let's learn how to draw it. Start with an oval shape. Keep it equal on both sides. An owl has very big eyes, so draw 2 big round circles. Next, the feathers and ears and the pupil. Now draw a semicircle and the wings. Yes, just like that. Fill in the semicircle with wide U shapes. These are the feathers. Lastly, let's draw the feet. Let's give it a nice neat outline. Hello, Mr. Owl. Time to fill you in with some lovely colors. Color in the body with the orange color. Keep going with nice neat strokes. Did you know that the color of owl's feathers helps them blend in with the environment? Let's color the ears now, using a brown color. Color in the wings with brown too. Our drawing is turning out great! The rest of the feathers can be colored with peach. Go over the U's with peach too. This makes the features stand out. Now let's finish off with yellow for the nose. And yellow for the feet too. The owl is complete. Great job, kids! Hope you had fun drawing.